Hiya folks! Glad to see you on my channel. Today I will sculpt Paradox Prism Sonic from Sonic Prime Season 2. I'll be sculpting with Super Sculpey clay. First I will make a wireframe and reinforce it with epoxy plasticine. After the frame is as strong as a rock, I will start to cover it with clay. The Paradox Prism is an object that appears in the Sonic the Hedgehog series. It is a very powerful gemstone with mysterious powers that was once hidden in the Temple Mountains cavern in Green Hill. The Paradox Prism resembles a large multicolored crystal chunk with a jagged appearance. Upon shattering from Sonic's attack, it became 5 prism shards: red, green, yellow, blue, and purple. The blue shard has purple accents on its edges, and the yellow shard has a blue accent at the bottom. The Paradox Prism is capable of space and time manipulation, able to alter reality itself. Even when it was shattered, the Paradox Prism's shards wield limitless power and abilities. Abuse of the Paradox Prism, including its shattered pieces, can cause devastation on the Shatterverse. Dr. Eggman managed to discover the Paradox Prism first, locating it within the bedrock in Green Hill and creating a plan to obtain it for an unknown reason, utilizing a remote-controlled mecha and goading Sonic into attacking it, amplifying the Hedgehog's power to weaken the bedrock in order to get it faster. Upon finding the Paradox Prism, Dr. Eggman is halted by Sonic's allies, Tails, Amy, Rouge and Knuckles from obtaining it immediately. Soon after, Sonic arrives where Dr. Eggman proclaims his desire to use the Paradox Prism to turn Sonic's world into his own ideal. Afterwards, a brawl occurred between them with Sonic and his friends destroying Eggman's Badniks. Dr. Eggman had his Badniks attempt to dig the Paradox Prism out, but soon went to do it himself when they failed, utilizing his own mecha to slowly rip the Paradox Prism from the ground. Sonic then went to stop Eggman. Though realizing Dr. Eggman would take the Paradox Prism soon, Sonic spin dashed to destroy the gemstone, much to his friend's shock, ignoring their warnings in which they attempted to warn him to stop. Sonic then destroyed the Paradox Prism, shattering it and causing a massive explosion, which engulfed everyone in the cave, including an arriving Shadow. When Shadow shows Sonic the disappeared Green Hill, he takes Sonic to the Temple Mountains cavern where the Paradox Prism is located. The yellow shard is still in place, and surrounding it is the outline of the full Paradox Prism. According to Shadow, it might be possible to reassemble it. For this, the other prism shards from the other shatter spaces of the Shatterverse must be brought into the cavern and placed in the right place/orientation. Sometime later, Sonic brings Shadow and Nine to Ghost Hill. Nine tries to fix the prism by putting the shards that he and Sonic had gathered in the correct place. However, he later takes all of the shards, even the one from Ghost Hill, for himself, creating a portal to the Grim to reunite the shards with the one he left in there to rebuild the Paradox Prism himself. Now, we can start painting our Sonic. But first, I'm going to primer the figure.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
My Sonic is ready now. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed my Sonic, make sure to hit the like button and leave a comment telling your friends to check it out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future content. See you soon!